Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I'm so excited to be doing this video for you guys. I'm just so overly excited for this video. So before we get into the video or any other things I'm going to be talking to you guys about today, I want to go ahead and let you guys know, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Christina Zambrano. I love doing beauty videos here on YouTube, and if you're not yet subscribed, please smash the button down below, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another video like this one, and as well, comment down below that you're new so I can say hi and welcome to the family. So yeah, and if you're not new, welcome back, homegirl. What's up? How's your day going? I hope it's going amazing, and let's get into this video. See my other real versus fakes. I will be leaving them in the description box down below so you guys can go ahead and check them out. I have a couple different palettes. You guys might be interested, and you guys might just have the real one and want to look out for what the fake one looks like. So today we're going into the one and only JACLYN Hill with Morphe palette. The Morphe palette by JACLYN Hill, or the JACLYN Hill palette by Morphe, whatever, the JACLYN Hill palette. So I'm going to tell you guys how much the palettes are and what's the differences so you guys can look out for them just in case you are shopping one day online and you're looking for a cheaper palette and you come across a cheap one but it's not actually the real brand. So I just want to let you guys know we have to be careful with these fake makeup, with the people that sell them online. Just be careful with who you're purchasing items from, because obviously if it's not the original product, it's not going to have the original chemicals that they use on makeup, so you never know. And also, I'm not whatsoever sponsoring and letting you guys know go out and buy fake makeup. No, we have to give credit where the idea was from, so you give credit where it's due, which is Morphe and JACLYN Hill's idea. These fake people buying these fake people selling these palettes are just trying to get money, easy money, fast money, and they probably spend half the price what they sell these palettes for. So I'm going to go into the fake palette, talk to you guys a little bit more about this. Just want to let you guys know, the people that are making this fake makeup, it is illegal to make fake makeup because you're not going ahead and giving the credit where it's due, obviously. But the difference between these palettes is when they make fake makeup, I guess they mess up a little bit on the palette, on the way it looks, because it's not just like the original one, so we can't say it is the original one, but we already know they're trying to imitate the original product. So I'm going to go into the fake palette, you guys, first. If you guys haven't seen JACLYN Hill's palette collaboration with Morphe, I'll leave it linked down below just in case you do want to go ahead and purchase the palette, the real one. I'll leave it down below. The real one retails for $38, and it is sold on the Morphe website. I believe that's the only place it's sold. The Morphe website, the Ulta store, or Ulta online, and maybe some other places that I'm not too sure of, but I do know for sure, just go to Morphe or to Ulta and it'll be 100% sure you're getting the real deal. So you guys, I recently just discovered this store here that sells fake makeup products. It's not a store, it's a, how do I say those things? Un remate. It's the outlets. Do you guys know what I mean? Where they sell like Mexican food, like outside, Chinese food. They sell like hamburgers. They sell like clothes that imitates pink. Basically, that's where you would go. So I purchased this palette, you guys, for $10. $10, you guys. It looks real, but once you get it close to the real one, it doesn't look as close as the real thing. So you guys just be careful, and I'm going to be showing you guys today the difference. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the fake palette so you guys know what it looks like and everything else, so you guys know what to look out for. Morphe palette right here, you guys look at it. If you guys already have this palette, you already guys know what to look out for, what looks fake and what looks real. You guys can see here that a couple things. If you guys have the real palette, go ahead and go get it out and look at what you guys got compared to what I'm showing you guys. And then this is the back of the palette, the fake palette. And then we open it up, and then she obviously put the quote on here for us to read, which is, "This palette is dedicated to all my lovely subscribers." And then these are the colors that she has, well, that China has on the fake palettes. I know this is from China. It looks cheap. I was very surprised when I used these eyeshadows about how good they were, obviously. So then we're going to go into the box. It came in this box, in which, you know, it's fake because this palette just came in this box like this, and that was it. Basically didn't care if it broke or not because you're paying a very cheap price for this palette. So the box looks very, very cheap. It doesn't look like they wasted a lot on this box. But other than that, the Morphe boxes also look cheap, but they make them cheap so they can retail the product for cheaper and give all the good in the goods, which means in the eyeshadow palette, that's where they waste their money, and I am perfectly fine with that. So this is how it looks like, you guys. It is very just not cute. So then when you turn it and you look at her pictures, yeah, from right here, oh, it's JACLYN Hill, she look cute. But if it gets close enough, her pictures are blurred. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that on camera, but her picture is very blurred. And then it just looks so bad. Like, look at this little thing. We already know Morphe has them as stickers, and this is an actual box. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the real deal. And this is my baby right here. I love this palette, to be honest. I use it a lot, and I'm just obsessed with this palette. So this is the real palette, you guys, the JACLYN Hill palette. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Yes, it is. And then we're going to go into the back of this palette, which if you guys have the real one, you know it has JH like all over splattered on this palette. And then it just says Morphe X JACLYN Hill. So then we're going to go ahead and open the real palette. It's beautiful, isn't it, you guys? This palette is so beautiful. And then it says this palette is dedicated to all my lovely subscribers, and you guys, that's how it looks. And these are the colors. So this palette is very, very pretty. It's heavy. This one doesn't weigh nothing, and yeah, that one just, I don't know what it looks like. So then you go to the box, the actual box. The actual box actually looks like they spent more money on it. It looks so good. And then the back, JACLYN just looks amazing. And then obviously what she wrote on here. So I'm going to go ahead and compare the boxes first, because that's the first thing it has here. They didn't even waste like a quarter on trying to put the stamp of cruelty free. They didn't put anything on here about the eyeshadows or anything. And then when I go ahead and put the box next to each other, you guys, we can go ahead and see the difference in the pictures. This is the fake box. This is the real box. And then you guys can obviously see that. A little flashback, like you could see her name is in metallic on this palette, and then where the Morphe is located, it's also metallic on there. Then we go into the fake box, which is just a plain glossy box. Like, this looks like material that they use from the pictures when you go buy pictures. Then we come to the palettes, which I'll be showing you guys. This is the fake palette. And this is the real palette. So this is how both the palettes look. And then the size of the palettes aren't the same. Real one's on the back, fake one's on the front. You could see the real one is thicker, this one is not. And those are the differences of the palettes. So when we go into the eyeshadow, let me see how I can go ahead and put this for you guys to be able to see. The colors are off. There's some mattes in there that should be shimmers. There's some shimmers in there that should be mattes. It's just all over the place. The real one is this one right here. And this is the fake one. So, you son of a gun. That's what I get. The fake one just digged into my real one. But it's okay. So, other than that, we're going to go into our eyes real quick. And I will be showing you guys a couple swatches. This is the real makeup on this side. On this eye. And this is the fake one on this eye. So let's go right into it. Let's dig into this palette and see how it works. To be honest, I like the real eye better. When I was doing it, I was digging this eye better. But then like the pigment is like stuck in my crease. This eye feels kind of weird. And yeah, so I'm going to do a close-up real quick, you guys. If that's something you guys are interested in watching, keep on watching so you guys can see the swatches. You guys can see the way I did this makeup. And then the final result of what I think, which there shouldn't really be one, but there's going to be one. So let's get right into the swatches and everything else. Let's get into it. It's like so exciting. It's like new makeup, you know? The one is the light baby blue, the first light baby blue. And then the second one is the fake. The first purple is the real. The second one is the fake. And so forth. So this is the real one. This is the fake one. The real, the fake, the real, the fake, the real, the fake, the real, and the fake. Everyone's real. So if you guys can see from this one, this one, the other one is like on the top where it comes from a bit on our face. We're gonna go to the fake palette, which would be this one, which looks a little bit more better than this one. I feel like this one is a little more chalky and harsh to lay out, and it's red. But okay, guys, ooh. Just like by slowly into here. Okay, so I will nice and that's perfect. And we're gonna fit one, which is right here, which is like so off. And we're gonna put it the same.
Okay guys, so I noticed this looks very ugly and it's cringing to watch myself, so I just skipped it up for you guys. I did look for some similar brushes for you guys so you guys could see I was not trying to cheat on this look, but this look is really ugly, to be honest. Like, it's ugly. But yeah, I was kind of surprised on the shimmer shadows that this fake palette had. They were really good. But you know, just save your coins, get the real product. It'll be so much worth it if you have the real product, and if you want to follow the tutorial and you have the real palette, then it'll be just a bomb, you know, instead of getting the fake palette and not be able to recreate a look you see online. But other than that, this fake palette is horrible. It's in the trash. It's history. It's horrible.
Okay, you guys, so to be honest, I'm shook on how good these eyeshadows look and all that, because if I were to tell you guys these eyeshadows were fake, some of them were fake, it would be so crazy on how these eyeshadows apply, and you would never know if someone were to give you this as a gift and you weren't really like fond of Morphe and fond of JACLYN Hill. If you've only seen this palette like a couple times, you would honestly never know this palette was fake. So it's kind of scary to know they're selling these products and people are buying them. People are getting allergic reactions from them, and we don't really know what they put in these products. So that's really scary. So I would just say blurt your money on something a little bit more expensive, that's original, that you know what products is in here, what chemicals and what oils and everything that are on these eyeshadows, because you're putting these on your eyes, you guys. You have to be careful, to be honest. Don't try to like save your coins and go on eBay, AliExpress, what's the other one, Wish. Don't go on like apps like that where you are not gonna know what's on their products. They're selling their palettes for what, like $5, $10, $20, I don't know, and then you go and buy them and then they come out like this. So like what was really scary when I did the real versus fake modern renaissance, it was super scary because it was like dead on. Like if I just got the fake one for like Christmas or something, I would never actually knew it was a fake until like I saw the real one. So it's really, really scary. Now I know because I do these reviews, so I know what to look out for. ¿Qué? ¿Ya se fueron? So you guys have to just be careful in what we're applying on our eyes because we really don't know. Like let's say I leave this eye on for so long and then I get an allergic reaction and I have to go to the doctor and they amputate my eyeball. Like, what am I supposed to do? I wasted $10 on a palette because the $28 one, the $38 one was too expensive, so I wanted to save $28. Girl, just save your coins a little bit. Like the JACLYN Hill palette's not going anywhere right now as of what I know from my information. It's not going anywhere. Just save your guys' coins, please, because it's not worth it to just lose an eyeball or get a really bad infection and where they have to like cut off your skin or something. You know, you never know. Like, I'm being extra, but you really never know what's in this fake eyeshadow palette. Like right now I'm just looking at it and like all the eyeshadow went everywhere, and I literally just swatched it a little bit and the eyeshadow was like everywhere, and you could just see like little white specks on all the eyeshadows that I swatched. So just be careful, you guys, and waste your money on something that's authentic, that's real, that's 100% real, and you know what they're putting in your products, because you'll just be so much happier, especially if you like saved your money and you bought something you really wanted. You're gonna take care of it a lot more. So I just wanted to say that, you guys. If you guys came till this end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.